Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the frequently asked questions on TCS joining related queries. So there are many students who might have got the joining letters recently and now they are very much confused about how to fill the documents and what needs to be filled in which document and which document has to be uploaded on which portal, either Next Step or ION portal. So for all of those, we have frequently asked questions answered in this video. Also make sure to check the TCS playlist on our channel where we have uploaded several document related videos on how to fill each document and what all documents you need to get prepared before your joining. So make sure to check all those videos. Also, please follow us on the Instagram as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Let's start with the video. So all the affidavits that are need to be done are on 100 rupees stamp paper. If 100 rupees stamp paper is not available to you, then 50 rupees 2 stamp papers means the value of the stamp should be minimum 100. Okay, so you can also get the stamp on you can also get your affidavits on 50 rupees stamp paper, but make sure that you get 250 rupees stamp paper. Now you might be confused that how can you get 250 rupees, because in most of the cases you need to get the affidavits for surety or service agreements, right? So for that you have a 4 to 5 page document. So what you can do is, if you have 100 rupees stamp paper, then you can get the first page content print on the 100 rupees stamp paper and the rest on A4 size. Otherwise, if you have 250 rupees stamp paper, then what you can do is you can get the content of the first 2 pages on 50 rupees stamp papers and then the rest on A4 size. So in this way you can get your affidavits prepared. If none of the 100 rupees or 50 rupees stamp paper is not available to you, then what you can do as an alternative is you can also prepare the 500 rupees stamp paper. So there is no problem in that. If you want, you can do that too. Next point is, all the affidavits must be in English. So if your birth certificate is in Hindi, you can get an affidavit prepared for it in English. So make sure that all the affidavits that you are getting prepared should be in English. Sign of the surety on the PAN card and surety sign on service agreement should be same. Otherwise, make affidavit for the same. The next point is, surety can be anyone with the total income of more than or equal to 3 lakh and must have the income tax return of the year 2018-19, 2019-20 or 2020-21. So your surety can be anyone in your relationship or anyone else, but surety should have the income of 3 lakh or more. Let's see the next details. For medical certificate, if doctor is not available, you can just attach it yourself and upload, because many times many students have queries that I'm not getting the doctors because of any reason, of any personal reasons or anything. So if you don't have, in that case only you can attach it and upload it. Next point is, BGC verification or background check verification may take time. ION documentations verification is done by the onboarding HRs and hence it is done in few days only. So it might be the case that you have uploaded some documents on the Next Step portal or ION portal and those documents are pending for approval and now you are not able to upload the further documents. So what you have to do is you have to wait patiently for some days, and once your joining date is near, that portal will be opened again and once they have approved the documents, and then you can upload your remaining documents. After all your forms and PDFs are done, mark a salary account in any bank given in the preferred list. So they have a preferred list in which all the bank's details are given. You can get your account created in any of the bank, so that once you join the company, your first salary can be transferred in your account. So during this period, few days before the joining, that is if your few days are left for joining, there are 2 types of verification that will also happen. So make sure to do that verification also. The first one is face-to-face verification. Here you will receive a mail to join a Microsoft Teams meeting where you have to show your face and also you have to show your Aadhaar and PAN card. So this is mandatory to do before the joining. The second kind of verification is your address verification. This is done by the external BGC vendor and it is not mandatory to do before the joining. Generally here you will receive an SMS with a link. On that link you have to upload your selfie with the house picture and all those things. So all of those things will be mentioned by the vendor. Okay, so these two verifications also needs to be done. So these were some of the frequently asked questions on TCS onboarding process. Let us know if you have any more such questions and ask in the comment section. We will guide you through it. If you still have any doubts, we have a video on our channel which is related to frequently asked questions on TCS joining. We have separate videos on how to fill documents like service agreement, non-criminal affidavit, medical certificate. Make sure to check those videos too. Please subscribe to the channel to get the regular updates, as I will also post the videos related to the journey once you join TCS. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and all the best for your joining. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get the links in the description box.